This host is an outgoing email server that is typically accessible over the TCP port 25. Within the general category, you will find the ID field containing a system-generated identifier. You are unable to change the value in this field because it is used as a unique key to identify this host. A friendly name is a name that the host can have and will appear in MOVEit Automation's interface. You want to name it something so you'll understand when reviewing the interface what host it's discussing. We recommend adding a description as an option, as it does not impact the operation of the host, but is useful when considering troubleshooting in the future. Establish what retry count or timeout frequency require here. The checkbox uses the default. Unchecked lets you establish your desired intervals. Port field defines the port that should be used by the host. Defined from address should be used when the message is sent that is driven by the action occurring. The timeouts area lets you determine the retry count. This establishes the number of times the host will retry. By default, this is set at 0. The retry timeout establishes the time between the tries of the host attempting to connect, and this is counted in seconds. Connect timeout establishes the time to wait when attempting to connect to the host. Data timeout sets the seconds to wait when sending or receiving data. It is recommended that you identify an alternate host. This way, processes can continue if the primary host is not available when a task is being attempted to complete.